Hi, first of all, thanks for watching this video and thanks for being interested in Meteotemplate. And whether you decide to use it or not, I will now show you what it can do, what it is, and then you will decide yourself if it's worth trying. So Meteotemplate is basically a free website template for displaying information from personal weather stations. And what that means is that if you have a weather station at home and you would like to have a website, then you can install this on your web server and then use it to create a web page where there is hundreds of different extensions and ways of setting it up. So you will create a page that looks exactly how you want it to look like. You can set the colors, you can set the language, you can set what you want to see in your page, the actual content. You can download extra extensions, and you can even create your own pages. So there's obviously an option to create custom pages, so you can insert those. And in this video, I just want to quickly show you what you can do. So here's a brief summary of the features. So you will get detailed statistics from your station, including graphs, interactive tables that you can sort. You will get all sorts of different numbers and values, and it's all using one database where all your data is saved. So that also allows you to then export this data, and as I said, it's highly customizable. There's over 400 design themes. There's always a color combination of two colors, so you can create up to 400 different color combinations. You can choose the fonts, you can choose the language, preferred units. It's quite modular. It means that you can say where you want what on your homepage. So you have these widgets, and probably the best thing would be to show you this homepage. This is just a demo, and as you can see, I have these blocks here, and this is everything. You can set up all of this. You can set up what you want here. You can change the layout, and yeah, the possibilities are practically infinite. And it's all now done by a graphical user interface, which means you don't need to know how to code. And I will repeat that: you don't need to know how to code, because everything, all the setup, you can do from your browser. As you will see, if you decide to install it, there are videos and a wiki where I will explain how to set it up, and you will see that you can do it all from a graphical user interface. So you just click in the browser and you can set it up. There are over 125 plugins, which are extensions or add-ons for your page. You can see them here, and you can add all sorts of things to your template, because by default it contains some basic pages for your weather station, but you can extend it with these plugins. It's compatible with many different software and weather stations, so you can use all sorts of programs to get data to the template. So here, just to name a few, it's Weather Display, Meteor Bridge, Cumulus, Weather Underground, Netatmo, WeatherCat, WeWix, etc. There are regional add-ons, which means that I created extensions for particular countries. So you will see all that in the blocks and plugins. Blocks are the widgets on your homepage. Plugins are separate add-ons, separate pages. So you might want to have a look at what is available. But if we look at the blocks, for example, you can see that here, for example, are 5 blocks for Australia. Here's one from Austria, Belgium, Canada, Czech Republic, Croatia, Estonia, Europe, Finland, yeah, Germany, and then we have Spain, Sweden, United Kingdom, United States, and yeah, and I add new ones all the time. It's also international. I've mentioned that. So if we look here, currently the template is available in these languages, and you can actually, if you want to, you can just email me, and if you want to add a new language, a new language, then that's not a problem. Or in some cases, the languages are not fully translated, so you can even translate them directly from this page, and that will all be explained in subsequent videos. There's extensive support. You can contact me anytime, and I will get back to you very quickly. So you can use email, Skype, my blog. You can contact me via Facebook, and I will always get back to you within a couple of hours, and I will always try to help you. So that's something I want to emphasize. It's currently used by almost 500 users at the time I'm making this video, from almost 50 different countries, and it is free, or rather donationware, which means there are no hidden costs, and everything you see here, all plugins and blocks, you can always download it for free. None of this is charged, although if you like this template, then if you have the option to use the donate button and support the project, because for me this is just a hobby. It's completely non-commercial. As you can see, I have no ads on my page, so this is the only way of me being able to support this project. So if you then decide you want to support it, then that would be pretty much appreciated. You see some screenshots here of what you might see in your page. As you can see, you have maps, you have graphs, you can zoom any of these images. Yeah, so here's, for example, one type of graph, and here we have another one. Sorry, I'm on slow connection, so it's loading. Yeah, so here we have fire index page, and we can continue. References, well, this is just some user feedback I got. And if you now think you might be interested in trying to install this and using it, then first thing to do is obviously start with the wiki, and you can go and it guides you step by step. And I've also created these videos to help you understand some of these things, but the wiki really is the basis, and you can watch the videos as you go through the wiki and try. And as I said, if you run into problems, just let me know. And that will probably be it, and I hope you enjoy using this template, and I can show you right now. So this is the user map, and as you can see, it's already being used by people from all around the world, and I think I have a user for on each continent, okay, with the exception of Antarctica. So if you happen to know someone from Antarctica, please let me know. And yeah, that would be it, and I hope you enjoy Meteotemplate.